First, what is software accessibility? According to Paul et al., it is a trait of a software or electronic information sources where it is usable for people with physical, cognitive, and emotional disabilities. According to Patrick Clary, a project manager on accessibility engineering, that 1 in 5 people with a disability will have a disability in their lifetime. In addition, 80% of living people with disabilities are from developing world. Without considering accessibility in applications, developers are um, the developers are actually losing a portion of their target user. Also, developers are losing their opportunity to extend and cultivate their creativity in other aspects. It's actually a challenge for developers to make their app user friendly for people with disability. For example, in this technology-based world, smartphones are widely used by people, but blind people are having a hard time in experiencing or appreciating this useful technology. As a solution for this problem, Brailleback is invented. Actually, it's a Android app and it works with the help of TalkBack. It enables blind people to use Android phones using Braille, the electronic Braille. The blind people or the blind user could input their commands and read what's in the phone using the electronic Braille. With this creative solution, they give blind people a chance to be part of the trend, of the smartphone trend. In addition, Clara said, designing for accessibility is designing for the widest range of abilities in the widest possible range of situations. What he meant is if the developer created something that is already usable for those people with disabilities, then it is also usable to normal people. For example, smartphones feature like giving commands to the phone using voice is not just for handicapped people who can't use their fingers to type, but it's also usable for those normal people who just wanted an easier way for giving command than typing. Just like me, when there are times that I feel so lazy of typing, I'll just input my command voice through voice command that is available in my phone. Okay, adding accessibility in applications is really important since in this age, smartphones, tablets, laptops, and computers are the most used thing in the world, and they become widely used because of the applications installed into them. These applications are very useful that have made the majority to rely on it. Without accessibility, these people with disabilities can't use the said useful things we have here on earth. Also, we are like depriving them from the experience that normal people enjoy. So, it's software developers' duty or challenge to make technology accessible to everyone. Yes, everyone, including those with disabilities. In addition, accessibility helps those people with disability or disabilities to open their mind in what is emerging nowadays. We are now in a technology based era. So every people must be oriented on how to use technology. I also believe that once these disabled people get familiarized of the said technologies, they could contribute their skills and talent in improving or innovating the experience we are having now with technologies. It could also pave way for a better future.